So, hello friends, today I will explain a very important topic which is called line integral. Line integral is a part of vector integration. So, for line integral, as name suggests, we have to integrate along the lines. So some basic required for that purpose. What are the basic required? Means you have to know equations of line. If suppose I will ask what is the equation of x-axis, that is y is equal to 0. What is the equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. If I will ask what is the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis, that is x is equal to k, and where k is what? This distance. Similarly, what is the equation of line parallel to x-axis? Y is equal to k. What is k that distance? This one. Similarly, what is the equation of line joining point between x1 y1 and x2 y2? It is very simple. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, where m is what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Similarly, in 3 dimensions, what is equation of line joining point x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2? It is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1 is equal to k. This is equation of line in 3 dimensions. Similarly, what is the how we draw parabola? This is which parabola? See, this is x, this is y. It is above x-axis, means y value always positive. Y always positive means it is y is equal to 4 x square is equal to 4ay. What is this parabola? X always positive. So this is y square is equal to 4ax. So you have to know how we draw the curve. Now I will tell about rectangle. This is rectangle. How many lines are there in this rectangle? If you see O, A, B, C. So here 4 lines are there. So it means we have to integrate how many times? 4 times. Because line integral means we have to integrate along the line. And see, there are 4 different lines. This line is x-axis. This is parallel to x. This is parallel to y. Parallel to x. And this is y-axis. So we have 4 different lines, so it means we have to integrate 4 times. So in this way we will do. Now I am going to explain what is line integral. So integral, see, f dot dr is called line integral. Sometimes it is also known as work done. Sometimes line integral is also known as work done, because if you remember, where f represents force and dr represents displacement, so f dot dr represents work, and when you integrate it means you are finding the sum. It means it's a line integral work as a known as a work done. So if they ask find the work done for moving a particle from one point to other point along this curve, it means you have to calculate line integral. So here f always they will give. What they will give? F always given. So what is that? Suppose f1i, f2j, f3k. What is dr? dxi dyj dzk. So what is f dot dr? It is f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. This is the value of integral. Now see, this integral contains dx, dy, dz, and definitely f1, f2, f3 also function of x, y, z. But for integration, we have to convert everything in one variable. How we do that I will tell. We will do by along the curve, using the curve. What curve given? Along the C. So if C given a straight line joining 2 points, so we can write x, y, z in terms of k, or you tell write here t. So x, y, z you can write in terms of t. Then find out dx, dy, dz in terms of t, and then you will convert everything in one variable. So here everything we have to convert always in one variable. Don't do partial integration here. So remember, once you written f dot dr or given, draw the curve first. Draw the curve and see how many lines are there. If there is a single line, then it's very simple. Convert everything in one variable and do it. Integrate it. If there are two different lines, then please first take first line, means along that the first curve, and then calculate f dot dr. And using that curve only, you convert in one variable, and then go for second. Now I am going to do one question based on which you come to know how we do line integral. And one more thing, sometimes we are using parametric form. Parametric form for circle you know very well. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. And already already I explained how we change the variables. It is there in my channel, that video. If you not watched, please watch it, because how we convert a given integration, either as a double or triple, in different form. Means for double, how we convert in polar form, and for triple, how we convert in a spherical coordinate system, how we convert in cylindrical coordinate system. So please do that one also. Now I am going to do one question. Now we do the question. First question is, find the work done in moving a particle in the force field F given along the straight line from 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. So how we do? So first we have to write first step. What we do? Find out f dot dr. What is the value? Always you have to do this is first step. First calculate f dot dr. F given. So f dot dr means I with I, j with j, k with k. So always, what is dr? Dr is dxi, dyj, dzk. So in place of I just put dx for j cap, we put dy plus z dz. So now we have to integrate this along what? Straight line joining the point 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. So first write the equation of a straight line. A single line is there. So only one time integration sufficient. So equation of line. So write the equation of line joining 0, 0, 0 to 2, 1, 3. What is the equation of line? X minus x1. What is x1? 0 upon x2 minus x1 means 2. So similarly y minus 0 upon 1 and z minus 0 upon 3 is equal to t. So what is x value? 2t. What is y value? t. What is z value? 3t. So once you know x, y, z, what is dx? 2 dt. What is dy? dt. What is dz? 3 dt. So once you know x, y, z, dx, dy, dz in terms of t, just put in equation number 1. So from 1, what you get? Integral c 3 x square. X square means 4t square dx. What is dx? 2 dt plus 2 x value. X means 2t. Z means 3t minus y. Y means t. dy means dt plus z. What is z value? 3t. dz. What is dz? 3t. So now everything converted in terms of t. So what is the value? 24 t square plus 12 t square minus t plus 90 outside dt and t limit. Now see, t limit, t is equal to what? T is equal to y. And what is y limit? 0 to 1. So limit is 0 to 1. Now you calculate the value. Understand? You can calculate t limit by x also. So what is t value? X by 2. So what is x limit? 0 to 2. So t limit 0 to 1. Because just half. You can do by any value. But because t is equal to y, you just put y limit. So now what is the answer? Integration you can do 36t square means 36 t cube by 3. Limit 0 to 1 plus 8t. So 8 t means t square by 2. Limit 0 to 1. So what is the answer? 12 plus 4 means 60 unit is the answer. Okay? Now I will do second question. Evaluate this about the triangle whose vertices are given. Already is converted in form of f dot dr. So first part over. Just we have to convert in single variable. How we do? What is the curve given? 1 0. X value 1, y 0 means this point. Minus 1 0 means this point. 0 1 this point. This is triangle. So see, now we have 3 lines. If you tell A, B, C. So remember, this is triangle given. So triangle means 3 lines are there. A, B, B, C and C, A. So we have to integrate one by one. So along AB. What is the equation of line? Y minus y1. What is y1? 0. y2 minus y1. 0 upon x2 minus x1 means 2. X minus x1. x1 is plus 1. So this is y is equal to 0. So y0, what is dy value? 0. So put y0 and dy 0. Where? In this y square dx minus x square dy. So see, once you put y value 0, dy value 0. What is the integral? 0 only. So along AB, no work. So similarly, now calculate for along BC. What is the equation of line? Y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1 means 1 upon x2 minus x1 means 1. X minus x1 means 1. So what is equation? Y is equal to x minus 1. So what is dy? Dx. So in place of y put x minus 1, in place of dy put dx. So in this case, what is integral? Y square means x minus 1 square dx minus x square dy is dx. Now we put an x limit, x in x variables. What is x limit? X here 1 and here 0. So it starts from 1 and goes up to 0. Understand? Because it starts from 1 and goes up to 0. So calculate this integral value. Similarly, along CA. Along CA, what is the equation of line? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So at y minus y1 means 1, x2 minus x1. So minus 1 upon y2 minus y1 minus 1 x minus x1 means 0. So y is equal to x plus 1. So what is dy? Dx. Similarly, just put, so what we get? And limit x 0 to minus 1. So y square means dy means dx, dx this is minus x square dy dx. Just calculate this integral. Once you calculate all integral, just add. That is the answer. So this is the way how we do a line integral. Now I am going to explain you about surface.